Hi guys, build animals pouch. Wow guys, beautiful guys, build animals. So let's get started video guys. Zebra horse first. So let's go. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. So cute zebra horse. Look is very nice guys. Little size all build animals pouch. First zebra horse look is very nice guys. Zebra horse figure is realistic, very nice black white combination. So side this, and the next figure guys, leopard, beautiful. So open pouch. Oh my god, it's really amazing figure guys. Beautiful look guys. Leopard design is realistic, high quality figure design. Leopard, beautiful look guys. Leopard figure, amazing design. So side this, and the next figure guys, giraffe guys, very nice look guys. Little size giraffe figure. Open. Wow guys, very nice figure. Giraffe, wow guys, is a really amazing figure. Beautiful design. Giraffe is really amazing. Wow, so beautiful look guys, giraffe figure. So side this, and the next figure guys, kangaroo, beautiful. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Kangaroo, red kangaroo design is so amazing. Wow, kangaroo baby is so beautiful.
Fucked on. Oh, he's got a number. Oh no, that's that! Strap all on. This is bullshit. Crap this shit. Oh, Captain sucked me now. He's smug as shit. Yeah, coming in. It's very much a kick game.
Beautiful guys, kangaroo look is very nice figure. So side this, and the next figure guys, camel. Wow, beautiful camel. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Designing high quality. Camel figure is really beautiful guys. Camel. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Camel. So side this, and next figure guys, hippopotamus, black hippopotamus. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Black hippopotamus, beautiful look guys. Black hippopotamus design is so amazing figure. Is a realistic black hippopotamus figure. His design is so amazing. So side this, and the next figure, wow guys, reindeer, beautiful. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Reindeer, green white combination, very nice look guys. Reindeer figure, amazing and real. Realistic reindeer figure is so beautiful guys. Reindeer. So side this, and next figure guys, wow, bear, beautiful look guys. Bear. So open pouch. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Bear, black bear design is so amazing figure. Is the realistic bear figure design so amazing guys. Very nice look guys. Bear. So side this, and the next figure guys is snake, beautiful look guys. Snake. So open. Wow guys, very nice. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Snake design is so beautiful guys. So black snake. Design is a really amazing figure. Snake. So side this, and guys, next figure, lion, beautiful look guys. Lion. So open. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Lion figure, amazing design. beautiful design guys, lion. Wow, beautiful look guys, lion. So side this, and guys next figure, tiger. Beautiful look guys, tiger figure, so amazing. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys, tiger design, amazing, is realistic tiger figure. Wow, so beautiful guys, tiger look, amazing design, tiger. So side this, and this next pouch. Wow, very nice look. So open. Wow guys, white duck, beautiful look guys, duck figure, amazing. Realistic duck, beautiful look guys, duck figure design is so beautiful. So side this, and next guys, rabbit. Very nice look guys, rabbit, so cute rabbit. It is beautiful. So side this, and guys next pause, rhinoceros. Open. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, rhinoceros design is so amazing figure, black rhinoceros. Wow, design is so beautiful, so amazing. So side this, and guys next figure, lion. Beautiful look guys, lion. Open. Wow guys, very nice look guys, lion, yellow black combination.
Oh my.
Beautiful look guys, lion figure design is so amazing. Beautiful look guys, lion. So side this, and guys next figure, cobra snake. Cobra snake, open. Wow guys, very nice look guys, cobra snake design is so beautiful. Look guys, cobra snake design is realistic. So side this, beautiful guys, build animals collections, amazing beautiful figure. So this video, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.